comparing the Momcozy Air 1 and the Eufy S1 Pro as a lactation counselor, feeding therapist, and breastfeeding mom to 2. First, as you can see, both of these have wireless charging cases. This is a game changer for moms on the go. Both of these advertise that they will last about 5 days. Momcozy Air 1 says about 15 different pumping sessions. I have found this to be relatively true for both of them. Let's talk design. This is where I feel like the Momcozy Air 1 really is a step above. The Momcozy is super slim. It is only 2.4 inches thick, which is the slimmest wearable pump on the market. It was really made to be nice and discreet for moms on the go, and it truly is. The other thing I really love about the Momcozy is they have this top view. This allows you to see into the flange and make sure that you are positioned appropriately. Positioning can be such a big factor in whether a pump works well for you or not, so the fact that you are able to see and ensure that your positioning is well throughout the entire pump session is amazing, and not something that other wearable pumps have, and I don't know why. It's so important. I also personally feel like the Momcozy Air 1 is easier to use, and especially would be easier in a work environment, and this is why. So in order to pour out the milk, it is just this little silicone flap here, and then you can pour. It's simple, just simple. Not messy, easy peasy. One thing that I have found with my Eufy S1 Pro is that when I go to pour it out, I always end up leaking it somewhere. It is something that really bothers me, and I usually take off the motor of this one first and then pour, but like there you have this opening you're competing with and this opening too, and milk leaks out somewhere whenever you're trying to pour it. So I really like this design. This whole thing comes off. This is where the milk is inside, and then you can pour it. I love that. When it comes to cleaning both of these, you're cleaning about the same amount of pieces, about 5 pieces each. Let me show you how you break each one down. Obviously, we saw you take this piece off, okay? And then this whole thing, also open this, will pop open for easy cleaning. You can get all the nooks and crannies, and then this also comes out and opens up for cleaning. And then you also have a black flow protector here, too. On the Eufy, this whole thing comes off here to open it on up. And then you also have this and this here too, and then this hook piece as well. With the Eufy, one thing that I will note is this all kind of presses back on here. You have to go all the way around, and I have many a times not pushed it all the way on here and then have had milk leaking out while pumping. This, just to give a little bit of a close-up of both the designs. They both come with different flange inserts, so you can find the best size for you. As far as sound level goes for pumping, that is a common question, especially when looking for a pump on the go and at work. This one is less than 45 decibels, and this one is 46 decibels. So this one is a little bit quieter. Let's talk power and efficiency. Both of these are powerful pumps. They are pretty comparable. This one, the Eufy S1 Pro, is at 300. This Momcozy Air 1 is at 280. So very comparable. As far as efficiency goes, I am able to get the same milk output with both of these. I do find that I need to use slightly higher settings on the Momcozy Air 1 versus the Eufy S1 Pro. I still get the same amount of milk output in the same amount of time. So both very efficient and powerful pumps. Another thing to note with ease of use is both of these come with apps. I find both of the apps to be very user-friendly, where you can set different rhythms and you can set different modes to find what works for you best. Now, big question here, comfort level. I actually find these both to be plenty comfortable. I do personally like this silicone of this a little bit better. I find it a little bit more comfortable to wear. So the Momcozy Air 1 is $369.99, and the Eufy S1 Pro is $349.99. They both come with the wireless charging cases if you get those certain models. One thing that the Eufy S1 Pro has that I really love is the heat flow technology that makes it warm up while pumping. This can really help with output and really improve your pumping experience. Here's a little roundup of the different features. Price point, very similar, $369.99, $349.99. This one is a little bit cheap. Comfort. I find the Momcozy Air 1 to be a little bit more comfortable, but overall they're both comfortable. Special features. This has a heat flow technology, which can be great for milk output. This one has a top-down view, so you can see where your positioning is in the pump. So nice for a wearable pump. And a slimmer, more discreet model that is quieter as well. Perfect for the work environment. Power and efficiency. My output is the same with both of these. Technically, this one is a bit more powerful. But I feel like they're very comparable from my experience. While both of these pumps are amazing options, if you are looking for a pump for the workplace environment, the Momcozy Air 1 was really made made for that. The slimmer profile, how quiet it is, the top-down view to make sure you have positioning right, and how easy it is to pour and clean really make it the perfect companion for the workplace environment.